Let's draw the sweetest holiday Pusheen cookie with frosting, sprinkles, and all the cozy Christmas vibes. Well, let's get started. So we're going to start off creating a cylinder. So I'm going to create 2 dots, a foreshortened circle. This is the top of the cylinder. This is going to create the height of the cookie. You see this line? We want to match it. Curve that line down. Okay, and we're going to start building our cookie now. So you can see I'm using these lines that curve down. And curves out to the right. Okay, so this is going to be the frosting in the center. Curving line out to the left. Curving line out to the right. And for this one, I'm just going to draw a little bit of a wavy line. All right, and for the bottom of the cookie, I'm curving line out to the left. Now I'm curving line out to the right. And once again, I'm going to curve a few lines down here. All right, we're flying along today. So our cats and snacks, the perfect combo. All right, so this is going to be the width of Pusheen. That's what those 2 dots are. I'm going to curve a line down a little bit. This is going to make it look like Pusheen is actually on top of the cookie. Erase off this construction line here. And you can see Pusheen's head looks a little bit like, kind of like a little egg yolk on top. I was going to say, if Pusheen falls off this cookie stack, I'm going to blame gravity and also the sprinkles. So we're trying to get the proportions of these ears correct. I'm going to go ahead and start making some of these markings on top of the head. Yeah, this cookie is 50% sugar, 50% cat. It's definitely a balanced diet. Let me erase off these construction lines. So I'm going to start the expression. And we're doing this Kawaii style. Very basic little dots for the eyes. Add those rosy cheeks. Got the whiskers here. So here comes Santa Pusheen. She ate the cookies and became one. So these are going to be Pusheen's paws. We're using overlapping now, so I'm going to erase off the construction lines inside of them. Add these two little lines here for the paws. And we're going to turn Pusheen into a little Santa Pusheen. So I'm curving this line up. And this is going to make it look like a cone now. So I'm going to draw this line up. It's kind of a cone shape. And then the top falls over to the side. So what do you guys think? Is it too cute to eat? So I'm going to go in with a Sharpie marker. I'm going to go in with red, pink, and dark red. For the cookie, I'm using apricot and brown. And look how I pull that color down. I'm doing a little bit of blending. So I'm creating soft edges. I've got ivory and beige for the center. A little bit of robin green for the shadows and the white. And this is an off-brand gray marker. Posca has one gray marker. That's it right there. And gotta add those sprinkles for emotional support. So I decided to move the eye over a little bit. So as we know as artists, we constantly are making adjustments during our drawing. Well, thanks for drawing with me today. If you love this Pusheen Christmas cookie, check out my other holiday treats and drinks. They're all in the playlist.